1,000 square meter factory. Equipped with 8 production lines and powered by 125 dedicated employees, ensures reliable and timely delivery for our clients worldwide. To date, we have exported our high-quality products to more than 55 countries. Driven by a passionate, creative, and professional R&D team, we launch 20 to 30 innovative new designs each month. Most of these designs hold patent certificates. This strong capability makes us fully competent for diverse OEM and ODM cooperation. We maintain a strict quality control system certified by ISO 9001 and BSCI. This is supported by our dedicated team of QC professionals and 4 fully equipped testing labs, ensuring every product meets the highest standards before shipment. Our ceiling fans are also approved by major international certifications including ETL, SAA CE Rose, REACH, and Energy Star. To better serve our global partners, we have established strategic warehouses in the United States, Europe, and Australia, ensuring over 40,000 units of stock availability and reliable local after-sales support across key markets. Based on these strengths, the KBS team has become the trusted partner for branded lighting companies, contractors, and chain supermarkets across the globe, particularly in North America, Europe, Asia, and Central and South America. We look forward to growing together with you.